Hey guys, it's videotechdude, and in this video I'm doing a review on the SoundLiberty 95 truly wireless earbuds. Now these are pretty much rip-off AirPods, but I guess they're just a different version, they're a different brand, you know. These were around $50, but then there was a $10 off coupon when I went on there, and so I was able to apply that and get these for $40. I'll have the affiliate link down below to where you can get these. Clicking and buying through that link will also help support the channel as well, so I really appreciate it. So that's how that works. So I'm going to be unboxing these. Let's do it right now. It's nice packaging. It looks pretty premium so far. And let's see, just a little tab right here, and then you just pull this part out, and now there's yet another box right here, and there's an instruction manual on the back. There's quite a few manuals. It looks like there's a more in-depth one, and then a quick start guide, which tells you kind of how to do everything. It looks like this does use USB Type-C, so that's pretty nice. We got a very tiny manual. I do not know what's in here. It looks like it's just an area for you to register the product on their website, so you can get like a little warranty or something, possibly. And then right here, wow, this is smaller than I thought. Pretty nice. We have, let's see, the little charging box right here. Let's take this out of the plastic wrap. Okay, so now we just took the little pod, the little charging base, the little, I don't even know what to call this, but it's glossy. It's very glossy and kind of grippy to my fingers. Wow, that is nice. That is like magnetic, like the real AirPods case. I don't have AirPods, but I've seen other people use theirs, and it is similar. It does a little snap when you flick it. That's pretty cool. And then I'm assuming these are the little buds inside the case there, and it looks like there's even a little light right there that's blinking inside the case, and so that's signifying that there's some kind of power of some sort. And like I mentioned on the bottom right here, it's USB Type-C. Very nice that they're implementing the newer technology into this. And then we also got another little cable in here. I'm assuming this is the charging cable. Yep, it's a little USB A to USB Type-C connector. So if you don't have one of these already, you won't be out of luck, unlike the new iPhones where they're not going to be even shipping out the charging cable with them. I don't know if that's confirmed yet, but it is something that I've heard of. Also, I don't know if there's like a protective film on this charging case, or if it's just naturally really grippy, plasticky. Not a problem, you know. I'm not expecting a lot for like 40 bucks or whatever I paid, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna see if I can pair these with my phone so we can do an audio test, which I'm pretty excited for. So I just flipped open the lid, and then there's a little pairing light in there, and then I opened up my Bluetooth settings on my phone. I'm using the Galaxy S10 right here, and it just popped up instantly, the TaoTronics SoundLiberty 95, and it says that they're 100% charged, so that's pretty cool. So I guess now they're paired. I've never had truly wireless earbuds before, so I'm kind of excited. This style usually fits my ears better than like the in-ear that really goes into like your eardrum. I'm sure they don't go all the way into their eardrum normally, but you know what I mean. So these kind of just rest on your ears, and we will see how they fit. Okay, it feels good. I can feel it in my ear. Let's get the other one right here. Put that in this ear, and they're playing already, and it was pretty loud at first. Kind of spooked me, but just got to learn how to position them correctly here. So I'm just gonna open up Spotify here. Am I yelling? No, I'm just kidding, I'm not. Yeah, I can hear music, I can hear audio. So I don't think it has the feature where it pauses automatically, but that's fine, I don't care. They sound good so far. I mean, they're earbuds, so I'm not expecting nothing too crazy, but it is pretty good. Maybe we'll play some like dubstep or something. I don't usually listen to dubstep, but just test the bass, you know what I'm saying? Gotta wait for the bass drop, you know what I'm saying? Wow, this is intense. This dubstep music, you know, it's crazy stuff, man. It's crazy, man. I've never had truly wireless earbuds before. Now they're like actually wireless. Like, do you see any wires? I don't think so. I don't see any wires. They're just there. They're just doing their thing. Alright, so I have learned some things about the SoundTronics 95 earbuds right here. So they actually do have touch controls on the earbuds themselves, which is pretty cool. I didn't know it at first. So there's a little part on the back that looks kind of like a speaker a little bit. And if you tap it, it will do functions. So if you double tap it twice, it will play the track. If you double tap it, or if you triple tap it 3 times, it will skip to the next track. If you triple tap the left earbud, then it will go back a track. And you can double tap to answer calls and things like that. It's kind of hard to use the touch capabilities on these earbuds because they're a little iffy, so it's kind of hard to use it. But the earbuds do have microphones on the bottom of the earbuds, so that's pretty cool. Also, one thing that I learned too, which is very helpful when you're trying to pair the earbuds, is if you're trying to pair it to a new device, what you do is you put both of the earbuds in the case, and then you keep the cover undone or open right here, and then there's a very hidden button on the back of the case, but you just hold this down for 3 seconds, and now there'll be a flashing white and blue light, and that means it's in pairing mode. And that doesn't clear the list of devices it's paired with in the past, but it just opens it up to being paired with. If you want to completely wipe all the devices it's been paired with in the past, you hold this button down for about 10 seconds, and then it will totally like factory reset it. So that's very good to know, because I was having some trouble pairing it with my laptop after using it with my phone, but I ended up just removing the device from my phone, and then it made it so it would go into pairing mode automatically. So that's another way of how to do that with a SoundLiberty 95 earbuds right here. And I'm really liking the satisfying snap of the lid. It does that. I'm pretty sure AirPods do that too. I was actually just with a friend who had AirPods as well, and we compared them, and these are slightly bigger than the AirPods, but most people didn't even recognize and thought that they were pretty much identical to the original ones, not the AirPods Pro, but just the normal AirPods. And obviously these will not do sound canceling, which I don't have a problem with. I'm usually not in very noisy environments anyways, so that's not a problem. I like to hear what's around me too, so that's a plus for these because they're not sound canceling. But it does come to be an issue if you're in a noisy environment, or such as like at a concert or somewhere where there's really loud music. You will not really be able to hear from these earbuds, even if you like turn them up really loud, which usually if I'm just in a normal environment like this and I'm listening to these, I do not need to turn them up very loud for me to be able to hear it pretty well. So that's pretty cool. I've been liking them a lot so far. Also, I have not done a drop test with these yet. Let's do it right now. Okay, kind of hit the wall, but let's check out the damage. Okay, so it got some dust on it, but let's just wipe that off. Okay, yep, looking good, looking good, looking good. And then we open it up, and we got the buds right here, looking very nice. And if you do put them in like backwards, you cannot like twist them around to get them into the right orientation. So that's kind of weird. You have to put them in the right way at first to be able to make them slide in and fit. The earbuds do come with this pretty long instruction manual that's double-sided, but it's in English, so that's super nice. Like the whole thing's in English, which made it very helpful to understand what's going on. And it is written pretty well too, and it describes in the instructions that you can actually use just one earbud or the other one, which I'll probably do if I just need to do something real quick and don't want to put both of them on. I feel like it kind of over explains how to do it. It like has like 2 paragraphs on how to do it, but pretty much you just take out one and use one, and you don't take out the other one, and that's how you use one earbud. And also with the sound quality too, it does a pretty good job of creating a nice balanced sound. The bass isn't gonna like vibrate your whole body or anything like that, but it has gotten great reviews on Amazon, and that's one of the reasons why I got them as well. So if you want to check out those reviews, I'll have my affiliate link down below. These are really great if you're not trying to spend a whole lot of money, but you just want something that's hassle-free, that you can just pop in your ears, listen to some music, or maybe jump on some Zoom calls or something like that. Maybe use them for meetings, and it just works. I just feel like they're overall pretty good, pretty cheap, budget, wireless headphones that just help you listen and enjoy what you'd like to listen to. So That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. This dubstep, what the heck? Maybe do some like retro hits or something, you know what I'm saying? Like I can't play any of that on the video because it'd be copyrighted. And it wouldn't be all righted. It'd be copyrighted. You know what I'm saying? Wow. It's like the sounds all around me. I mean, kind of. It sounds good. It sounds loud. I don't know if you can hear it from the mic right here, but you know, sounds good to me. Okay, I'm getting kind of carried away. We need to calm down. You know what I'm saying?